let's do an unboxing of NewJeans album. And the other side, okay, looks like that. And on the other side, in the side, it looks like this. And yeah, it's quite big. Checklist number 1, How Sweet, 2, Bubblegum, 3, How Sweet again, 4, and Bubblegum again, but these are instrumental. It's out in 2024. Let's open it carefully. And yeah, getting the wrappers off. Finally, got everything out. Okay, here we go. Oh, it looks like that inside. Interesting, cardboard. And then, sticker. Oh, they have stickers. There's stickers. It says NewJeans, Minji, Hani, Danielle, Heron, and Kane. Those are the members. And okay, those of you who know who she is, please leave in the comments below. Who is she? Okay, is it Minji, Hani, Danielle, Herin, or Kane? If you know, please leave in the you know where, the comments. Yeah, and then yeah, her. Okay, I'll show you her face again. Her and her. Okay, all right. So it has like different versions. I bought this one, and oh, what's this? It says Kane, right? And it's a photo card, I think. Okay, let's see. Oh, look at that. It has is it the same person in the box? I'm not sure, but let's see. And that one, there's this one, and oh, that's cool. And on the back, oh, it has like wordings in it. It says, and don't you know how sweet it tastes? Oh, that's the lyrics. And then it says, 뉴진스 곡 중에서 가장 좋아하는 곡은? It means, which is your favorite song from the NewJeans? Okay. And then on this one it says, 오늘도 파이팅. It means, 간발에. No, that's Japanese. It means, have a great day. Or and this one, it says, 내가 힘들 때, 울 것 같을 때, 기운도 이젠 나지 않을 때 이 포토카드를 봐. It means, if I'm tired and if I think I'm going to cry, and if I have like no power whatsoever, look at this photo card. Oh, that's kind of cool. And the next one, this one on the back it says 나만의 포토카드. 이름 최포카 최음악 기타. So it means my one and only photo card, and this one it says name and my favorite photo card, favorite music, etc. Interesting. So you can write your stuff there. Yeah, that's it. So these are all the photo cards in this. It says Hain, so I have the Hain photo cards, I think. And the stickers right there. There's the stickers. Cool, right? There's all the stickers inside. Let's open it and see. Doosh. Doosh. Bam! Okay. And then, yeah, stickers. Yeah, so we have, right there. You can, stick. And then there's another sticker called How Sweet, with the album name. And NewJeans sticker with the names. And, a very shiny sticker of a bunny. And there is a shiny sticker that says, okay, what does it say? I don't know. Please leave in the comments. What does it? I can't tell. I have no idea. And what's this? Okay. What's this? Oh, it's a postcard. And it says Hain. Oh, it says Hain. Let me read it. It says 2008년 4월 21일생. So she was born in 2008, April 21st. And she debuted in 2022, July 22nd. And it says 진심을 다해서 대하면 다른 사람의 마음을 움직일 수 있다고 믿는다. So she says if she does her best, she thinks that she can move others' feelings. That's nice. And let's look at the other. Oh, look at that. Is that the manager, Minijin? No? Okay, I don't know. Someone. It's one of the member, I think. So if you know who she is, please write in the comment who the person is in the album, like discs thing. Oh, there's another thing that can pop out of there, and it says, yeah, there's this thing. There's a lot of goodies, lots of goodies on the CD, right? And then, oh, what is this? It says, "Don't you know how sweet it?" And then, "I won't wait. I'm feeling." And then, oh yeah, this is the there like that. And then you can see, wow, look at that. Oh my goodness, look at that. It has like tons of stuff in it. It's like, let's see, and over here, there's a photo, a blurry photo, and that. Oh, it's all. Oh, this one was the album, the a box photo, and then there's another photo, another photo. There's lots of big pictures. Oh my goodness, look how big they are. It's like a magazine of books. Yeah, and then whoa, look at that. And everything's always changing. Wow, it's pretty, right? Oh, so if you want this, you should go ahead and get one of these in the record shop. It's really cool. Yeah, it's recommended, highly recommended. There's like lots of stuff, lots of goodies, lots of pictures. So if you like the songs and if you want to see, you should go and get it. Wow, look at that. Wow, there's so many pages. It says 오늘도 화이팅. It means good luck, or like 화이팅, like if you don't have like strength, it means you should have strength and be happy. And yeah, this one, there's a lot of pictures, a lot of cool pictures. Whoa, oh my gosh. Okay, maybe you don't, okay, I think like every different album has different stuff in it, so maybe you want to buy another one too. It has different versions. And what's this? Oh my gosh, they have a like super big photo. Wow, this is like good, like quality paper. Look at that, super big photo. And wow, what's this? Is this a calendar? No, it's not a calendar. Oh my gosh, it has like tons of pictures. And it's, oh, this is amazing. Yeah, you should definitely buy this. Okay, you should definitely, oh my, wow, look at that. Look at all those pictures. So, okay. Okay. And wow, there's like so many. So I think it's gonna take forever. Should I show you everything? I think it's gonna be too much. So, yeah, if you want to see the rest, please leave in the comments, and I'll like upload a new one showing you all the photos of it. It's really amazing. And then that's it. Okay, so have a nice day. Don't forget to like and subscribe and press that alarm button, and have a nice day. Bye bye.